Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Did you celebrate the Pongal festival happily? Okay, welcome to social class. What did you learn in the previous class? Can you remember? Good. District administration. Now I am going to ask some questions. Who is the administrative head of the district? Very good. District collector is the administrative head of the district. Who is our district collector? Very good. Thiru V. Vishnu is our district collector. We had already learned about the duties of the district collector. District collector is the administrative head of the district. He cannot take care of everything alone. So there are more subordinates in district administration to assist the district collector like district medical officer, superintendent of police, district forest officer, chief educational officer and revenue divisional officer. Now we learn it one by one. First one, district medical officer. Where do we go if we are not in good health? Yes, we will go to the hospitals. There are many hospitals in our district. Some hospitals are government hospitals. Some hospitals are private hospitals. Health is wealth. Good health of the people plays an important role in the society. Only a healthy population can contribute economic growth of the country. Who is responsible for the government hospitals in the district? Good. Health officers are responsible for government hospitals in the district. The person in charge advises on health and sanitation of the district. Who is a health officer? Health officers are physicians who are typically in charge at hospitals. Health officers serve as advisors on health issues and disease control, provide medical support and investigate problems. What is the role of the health officer? Health officers take an active role in overseeing the medical care of patients and the functions performed by the medical staff. They may participate directly in care when services are being initially implemented. What are their duties? They oversee daily operations, serve as clinical advisors, and investigate any problems that may arise. What are their responsibilities? Ensuring the smooth day-to-day operations of a healthcare facility, perform various tasks. They analyze records, reports, and exam data to help them diagnose patients' conditions. Health officers are also known as public health inspectors. They are responsible for carrying out measures for protecting public health. Health officers are responsible for government hospitals in the district. What do you see in this picture? Who is he? Yes, he is the policeman. Who is police? Police is the first body whom we approach in case any crime or wrong is done against us. Police is the one who registers first information report, and police officers are responsible for the maintenance of public order and peace. What are their duties? To protect life, liberty. Liberty means freedom, property, human rights, and dignity of the members. Dignity means freedom. To protect life, liberty, property, human rights, and dignity of the members of the public. To protect public properties including roads, railways, bridges, etc. To create and maintain a feeling of security in the community. To facilitate means make something easier. To facilitate orderly movement of people and vehicles, and to control and regulate traffic on roads and highways. Now we are going to learn about a higher official in the police department. He is Superintendent of Police. Superintendent of Police is a senior police officer of the rank above an inspector. A senior police officer higher in rank than an inspector but lower than a chief superintendent. They are the district head of non-metropolitan districts in India. Superintendent of police in small districts leads the police force of a district. They are entrusted with the responsibility of maintaining law and order. He is the head of this district and he has many power and functions. Superintendent of police is responsible for the police force in the district. Law and order is maintained in the district with the assistance from all police officers like inspectors and constables. What are their duties? Maintenance of law and order in his district. He is empowered to take preventive measures to ensure peace in the district. He has to assess the requirements and make adequate police arrangements for the various situations like fairs and festivals as well as elections, etc. He inspects police stations and provides for necessary physical conditions to keep his men working in a satisfactory state of morale and motivation. He organizes sports, tournaments, annual get-together and special meets to keep his district force in high spirits. His main functions are certainly preservation of peace and prevention of crime. Preservation means the act of keeping something the same. Prevention means the action of stopping something from happening. The main functions are certainly preservation of peace and prevention of crime. Children, today we had learned about the duties of health officers, policemen, and superintendent of police. Now let us recap the lesson. Health officers. Health officers are responsible for government hospitals in the district. The person in charge advises on health and sanitation of the district. Duties of the policeman: to protect life, liberty, property, etc., to prevent public properties, to maintain a feeling of security. Superintendent of Police. His main functions are preservation of peace and prevention of crime. Children, read the lesson and do the assignment. Thank you, children.